What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady. Today I'll be working with the company Arabella Hair. Here I'll be showing you what comes inside the package: wig cap, comb, and 3 duckbill clips. Here is the wig. Here I will freeze so you can see the length and the barcode. The wig is super full, super cute. It's a 6x13. 13x4, 613, 22-inch Brazilian straight frontal. Here I'm showing you the inside. It is a 13x4 frontal with 2 combs on each side, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. Here I'm just showing you the hairline straight out of the box. I have not plucked or bleached knots. You're going to take a foundation or concealer and put that on the inside of your lace as I'm showing you. As you can see, the lace is now blending effortlessly. Now I'm just showing you all the minimal parting space you have. You can do side parts on either side or a middle part. You want to go in with your alcohol and clean near the perimeter of your forehead just to get a nice clean base for your got to be glued. You're going to apply 1 thin layer and then allow that to dry with the blow dryer on the setting high cool, and then you're going to repeat this 2 more times with a completion of 3 thin layers. Once your gel is tacky, you want to go ahead and lightly place your lace on top of your ball cap. Move in sections. I like to take the top half and apply that first and then move to side by side just to get a nice clean install. You don't want to be too messy. Then I'm going to take the Got to Be Glued freeze spray and apply that to both sides to finish off the install. I like to use this instead of the Got to Be Glued gel just because it's a little quicker and it's not as harsh on your edges. Even though you do have the ball cap on, I like to be extra safe because you know you don't want your edges to be snatched out. Everything feels secure and dry. You're going to go ahead and cut off the remainder of the lace that is left. Be careful not to cut back too low and mess up your hairline. I'm just showing you the length on me. I am 5 foot even, and this is 22 inches on me. I decided to go in and cut a few layers up front just to frame my face. For the styling portion, I'm not going to do anything special, just do some light body wave curls with the middle part with no baby hairs. The last step after finishing is applying your wax stick to just get down any flyaways, any loose hairs, makes everything look sleek and shiny. This is the finished look. And I use no glue, just the ball cap method with Got To Be Glued. This hairline came pre-plucked. I did not tweeze it or pluck it or bleach the knots. And again, this is Arabella hair. This is their 13x4 613 lace front wig and Brazilian straight in 22 inches. And I just cut some layers and do some simple curls. Nothing special. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me if you like this video and want to see more. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.